Hi everyone, Mr. Garzarek here with an explanation of how to use your Prezi assignment and your Prezi creation to identify the different elements of the history of DNA as we have labeled in class. So in order to do this, you access Prezi and you just go to prezi.com and sign up for an account like we've talked about through your student email. Once that is done, you then go on and you create your own using any of the templates that you want because they're all very editable. You can see the one I've done here is in different states of editing, and I'm going to show you different parts of it as a result. So this is my main page, and the thing that's beautiful about Prezi is it allows you to go into each individual part. Now, one of the big things I want to see on the first part is the title of your presentation. I want to see an image that relates to the presentation, and I want to see at least 3 major points within that presentation. Within the first presentation, as you see that one is blue and the other 2 are deep red because the original presentation I used had a different template. So first off, DNA is information. When we go into this one, you'll see as you click, it shows to zoom in. If I click that, it brings us to the model of what I showed here. So for each one of your things, as you go through, all you have to do is you have to click on that particular section and bring up what you need to do. Add the information for each major section that you select throughout the DNA unit, and then make sure you add an image to that. Within this section, you're going to do what is called a subsection. So up here at the top, it says insert, and there's a subtopic. You click that, and it will give you an option that looks like this. So within this subtopic, which you'll have to have one for each one, you add this, and within the subtopic is the scientists who contributed to this theory. This will be a section that everyone will need to add to every section because these discoveries were made by people. So if you see here, you see that I've added the scientists who've contributed to this element of DNA: Fred Griffith, Oswald Avery and his colleagues, and Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase. Now, once this information has been added, there needs to be a picture added for each researcher. And then at the end of the presentation, there needs to be a reference page. I clicked go back to show you the information page. If I click go back again, it goes into this. So the different parts of it that you need to make sure you know. As you go to the next step, it should be in historical order as you see it. So the next part, DNA and organisms. If I click on this, it shows the different things. Up here within the paint bucket, it allows me to select a color. So I'm going to select green for this one and change this color to green. If I was to zoom in, you see that it is now a blank document. And again, this is where you change the picture. You click on it. It will give you a drop down and ask you to either upload a file or to choose one of their free images. This is also where you add the text. In order to edit the main parts of it, on this one right here, as you can see, 27 BC does not apply to us in any way, form, or fashion within biology. So we are going to delete the I accidentally deleted the full thing, but you can see you can just click undo. We're going to delete, or we're going to type into this section our next topic. So in this case, it will be major discoveries. And I'm going to leave, and I'm going to go ahead and space this out. And it then becomes the same exact process as that. If you have any questions, please let me know.